In my last video titled How to Build a Mini Hydro Dam Part 1, I showed you guys how I built a water chute to the right of the waterfall. The primary purpose of this chute is actually to find out the flow rate of the river. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I did that. When you're designing a hydro turbine, it's very important to consider the effect of the weather on a waterfall. When it rains, your flow rate will increase drastically, and so you have to design your dam according to that. As you can see in this video here, the water flow has increased dramatically in the first video. Now here's the minimum flow rate with my chute installed. As you can see, there's not much water coming out. Well, I'll be using a 22-inch diameter barrel to find out the flow rate of this chute and river. I'm simply going to be putting my barrel underneath the water flow, and I'll be calculating how much water I got in the barrel and also how long it took for that to happen. As you can see, the barrel's pretty heavy because there's a fair amount of water in there. Now our next step is actually to see how deep the water is in the barrel. For this, I'm just going to be using a little piece of wood. Now you just want to let the water soak into the wood. And taking it out, you can see I have a darker spot on the wood. That's where the water has gone up to, and that's what I'm going to be calculating the depth of the water. My next step is to do flow rate calculations. As you can see here, we have a pretty good water volume, and also we have 5.1 second flow time. So our flow rate was 174.4 gallons per minute. The next step is to calculate the electrical power output. Our water head is 10 feet. Our flow rate is 174.4 gallons per minute, and our absolute minimum power output is 264 watts. Assuming a 10-foot head, a very low water flow will give us 264 watts, and a high water flow will give us 1,000 to 1,500 watts.
Come on.